Welcome, people, to the Sentient Paper Puppet Competition, Episode 6. Last time, Dalgona won immunity in the last challenge because I forgot what she did, but, I know that she won the challenge, so these four are up for elimination. Last time, we got 7 votes. Bob and Lapis are safe with 3 votes. Now down to you two. Which one will be eliminated? With 0 votes, the person eliminated is... I'm sorry. Wait. No. Dang it. I'm already up at risk for elimination. I'm sorry. No, I can't be eliminated. To Mask with 0 votes. What? Wait, what? Yep. Mask. Goodbye. Wait, so I make it into the final 4? Yes. Yes, you do. For this next challenge, look what I have set up for you guys. Oh, cool. So, I teamed you guys up by friendship. So, Bob and Lapis are together, and Dachi and Dalgona are together. So, you're wondering what we're doing, right? We're doing trivia today for this challenge. So, I will ask you guys a question, and you guys have to answer it. Okay? Okay. So, let's get started. You will get asked 20 questions. I know that's a lot, but it's for the challenge. First question. What combinations do you have to make glue according to the object show universe? Ring, Lapis and Bob. Glue. Wait. What do you have to add up to make glue in order to make in order to make glue? So, what were you going to say? Gasoline and snow. 1 point for Bob and Lapis. Next question. How many contestants are usually in Squid Game? Ring 456. 1 point for Dalgona and Dachi. Oh, wait. Actually, I'm going to add an extra question if you guys are tied, okay? So, next question. How many contestants are usually in a normal object show? Ring, Lapis, 20. Correct. Next question. When did Army of Paper 1 come out? Ring, you guys? December 10th, 2023? Correct. Next question. What is Lego made out of? Bob and Lapis? Plastic. Correct. Yeah. Next question. What is the most popular sport in the world? Ring, Bob and Lapis? Soccer, but in Europe it's called football. Correct. Next question. Who is associated in the sentient paper competition to a contestant in Army of Paper? Ring, Dalgona, and Dachi? GD Spike. Correct. Next question. When do people like to go in the pool? Ring, Bob and Lapis? Summer. Correct. Anyway. Next question. Ooh. How much gallons of water is this particular jar? Oh my goodness. Ring, Dalgona, and Dachi? 8 gallons? Incorrect. Bob and Lapis, if you get this one correct, then you get the point. But if you don't, both of you don't get the point. Bob and Lapis, wow, that's very big. So I'm guessing 16 gallons? Incorrect. There is half a gallon in this cup. What? How? Well, if you're doing like, yeah. Anyway, next question. What type of material do you get at an Olympic game when you get third? Dalgona and Dachi? Bronze. That, my friend, is correct. Next question. What is another word for a movie theater? Bob and Lapis? Cinemas. Correct. Next question. The next question is, what is a trumpet? What is a trumpet, trombone, French horn, tuba, etc. made out of? Ring, gold? You are incorrect. Bob and Lapis? Brass. That is correct. Next question. When did the Nintendo Switch first came out? Dalgona and Dachi? 2017? That is correct. Next question. How much is a nickel worth? Dalgona and Dachi? 5 cents. Correct. Alright, this next question. What is 180 minus 144? Ring, Bob and Lapis? 36. That is correct. Next question. What is paper supposedly made out of? Some say it's the leaf. Some say it's the bark. It's the tree. It's the, yeah. So, what do you guys think it is? That is the question to you guys. All right, here's the next official question. Which one of the eliminated contestants out of these 6 is a medicine? Dalgona and Dachi? Dayquil. You are correct. Next question. When was BFDIA first made? Bob and Lapis? You don't have to say like the official date. You can say the year. 2013? That is correct. Is Dalgona and Dachi gonna catch up? Let's find out. Next question. When is the summer solstice? Dalgona and Dachi? June 21st. That is correct. Next question. When is the winter solstice? Dalgona and Dachi? The December 21st? Yes, you are correct. Okay. There. This next question. When... Let's see. This next one is pretty hard. I gotta think of one. This one's a musical question. In treble clef, what is in the second space? Bob and Lapis? A. You guys are correct. Wow, this ink is running out of ink. Well, no, I meant this pen is running out of ink. Anyway, last question. If Dalgona and Dachi get this correct, I will ask one extra question. If they don't get it correct and Bob and Lapis win, then they win the challenge. So, what? What is this next question gonna be? This should be an Army of Paper one because Army of Paper came before the Sentient Paper Puppet competition. When did Nuki become an official host? Dalgona and Dachi? I'm going to go to you guys first because you have one less than that team right there. What do you think it is? Army of Paper 17 got Dalgona and Dachi. You are correct. Which means both of these teams are tied. Oh yeah, hi guys. Wait a dang minute. Wait, you guys are supposed to be in the animation area. Oh yeah. We just found a way to get out of the animation universe, and we decided to actually stay there. So, yeah. I'm gonna enjoy my stuff there. Okay, guys, get back in. Get back in the box. Back in the box. What in the heck just happened? I don't know. Alright, last official question. Because you guys are both tied. What is what is when did I make this YouTube channel? Dalgona and Dachi? Both of your teams have to answer in order to, yeah. So Bob and Lapis, what is your answer? since you guys had a win streak. Wait, no. Oh, wait, no. I'm going with you guys first. Dang. I know it was in 2023, but I don't know when. January? February of 2023? You guys are not correct. Bob and Lapis, what is your answer? January 28th, 2023. Bob and Lapis, you win the challenge. Wait, we do? Yes! We won the challenge! Yay! Which means, guys, in the voting poll that I'm going to be making, vote a person who you want to be safe out of these two, and whoever gets the least number of votes will be eliminated out of the show. This might be one of the most intense voting because these two are associated in the same thing. So, I will see you in the Sentient Paper Puppet Competition, Episode 7. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we make it into the final 3, Lattice. I can't believe it either. What are you gonna do? Yeah, if we make it into the final 3, we can't be in an alliance anymore. What? Lapis. We can still be friends. Not in this particular situation. So let's enjoy hanging out together as long as we can.